Hello. I will make a pancakes that is a bit crisp. Undan, ay request ni Amo o request ni Sweetie Motor. Pancakes ala I don't know. Basta pancakes nga lahi sa ato ah. Look here. Look here. So much flowers here. It's nice. See? Full of flowers. Need to cut manggod kay kuan. Sige uwan unya. Nanga tumba sila ba? Nanga tumba. Mangluod sila dang luod. Unang kinahanglan kuanon kaysa mabasura ra. So hang na lang gipamutol. Tinuon napay daghan na hibilin adto pero at least show the flowers really show my very much flowers there. How look how I kuan man the flower.
Hi, Mama. You're talking about the wrong flower. When you have to focus on that flower, not that one.
Yeah, that one is nice. Flowers.
What is for dinner?
That's pancakes. Pancakes nga naipagka-crisps nga naipagka I don't know. Basta mo siya. Sunod-sunod lang. Nindot siya ka na po siya light. Duha ka baog. Ugbo man hong anak human siyang vlog oy. Following no. Not to you. Kuan ba? Camera. How many you want to eat, baby? And me also 2. And maybe papati. I always make kuan ba? I always made 5 pieces. And I didn't know last time.
You wanted to take mine.
Yeah.
I think around 6 or 7.
Yeah, that's why
One?
yeah, okay.
I wanted to taste first of it.
It's yummy man, that one. Why? It's not yummy? Kain tayo ng orange. Bye. Naman dyan may ibog ni hong buwak ba? O pwede palang baligya ba? Mga late bloomers na buwak. Mga late bloomers na buwak. So, start na sa fire. Where's the smoke? And then, a bit oil. Oops. Mhm. So, pause moment. So, there are atong mixture. Okay. Nindot yun kayo buwak na ko. Oh, feel na feel. Tuk na feel akong buwak. Very nice. Very nice good siya. Oh, tuk oh. Nice kayo ay. So, bisan og mga late bloomers. Kira, nice good. Daghan maibog ani ron. Kan maibog aning bulaklak naking magaganda. So, okay. No. With tiplon kay aron dili siya mutapot. Dili na po siya kinahanglan time to time ang butter. One time nga butter or oil. Okay na kayo. Tapos inagkuhan ani Nutella. Yummy. Okay.
I go to again before my body here.
Okay. That's it, guys. Pancakes a la Crips. Meat Nutella. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Yummy bara ni. Stop na itong bibi. Wait lang.
Will you edit that?
No, na ay.
No.
Kung I stop, man good that one. Or may pause ba? 10 minutes, I think. Okay.
8 minutes.
Okay, kung stop, ibe. Thank you.